Jesus! Hey! Spawn them!
Huh?
Wow! Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey! Full chicken, Spanner!
What happened now?
Spanner, you never change, huh? You never change, Shall I make I just, just small thing, I'm okay. Just small thing, I'm okay. Yeah? Let me just take small soup. Small soup. I would. Hey. Spanner, this thing that you're doing is not good. It's not good now. You never change. I thought we are friends now. Okay, let me take. Well, let me take onions. This onions. It's sweet. See, these people are just there trying to. Hey, Spanner. Wait.
Jesus!
Hey!
Jesus!
Hey! Spanner, this thing you're doing is not good though. How can you wash my hand inside soup and you're even eating it? But let me join you now. Since you wash hands inside.
Now soup I wash out, not be hand I wash. You lick the first one, one continue lick another one. Lick him naked.
Licky. I'm standing on top of sun now.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hey! Afternoon. This is how you people do. This has been trending. You people want to steal my phone. It will not work. I'm from Onitsha. Come to you. You people will not kiss me. Afternoon. Nori. Gagarina, where are you? Now? Jesus! My brother, you see who collect my phone now?
Now that first person will pass before the last person come pass. Then the last person come carry and give that first person where we are yellow. Now that last person come carry and come give the first girl where come pass. Hey, I don't explain tire.
The last person will be the first person. The last person will be the first person. When first person can't give the best first person. Hey, where is the fufu I own now?
Good afternoon.
Where is the fufu I